excited to play in the snow. Haven't been able to play with it. It's been a super light year for us. Also have, yeah, sorry. Trust me, I'm still a gas head at heart. You'll pry my diesel dyno powered cars out of my cold dead hands. But I will say, holy crap, these things are pretty quick and they're really fun to drive. So I'll probably do some content on this if you guys are interested. Yeah, dual motor, the thing scoots, but picked that up a couple weeks ago, and you know, I had to try it. Don't judge me. Just remember that car's parked in the same garage as this car, so it's okay. Other garage updates here. We are currently running this on waste oil, which is pretty cool. But the main reason you tuned in was to see some snow removal, so we'll get the tractor fired up here. She's good to go. Get the cameras mounted up. We'll go have some fun. Crack that a little bit. Little preheat. Purring like a walrus. All right, we'll let her warm up and yeah, we'll get to work. What are we gonna listen to today? Turn down a little bit and engage. God, I haven't used this thing since last year. I forget how to run it. Alright, revs up, brakes up, let's roll.
Can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things
care of my neighbors. Well, same neighbor as always. He's, well, sometimes I've got 3 neighbors I gotta do, but just my next door neighbor. He's down in Florida, as usual, kind of retired and living his dream. And his daughter and her boyfriend stay at the house for the most part. So I'd like to get over there and take care of them too.
If you can't let it go, I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in the heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
To get it filmed while we had some light still, so though I did not do a great job, that's okay, we're coming back. But as always, guys, appreciate you watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody have a great day.